Hi and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe for a Malaysian tea time snack with you. It is chive fritters. It is fritters made with chives. I have listed the ingredients in the description box below. So shall we start cooking?
I have a mixture of flour here. 60 grams of all-purpose flour and 20 grams of rice flour. Adding rice flour to the batter makes the fritters crispy. Adding a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder to the flour. Let's now mix the ingredients together. I have 4 stalks of chives here, but 2 of the stalks are very thin, so in effect it's like having 3 stalks of chives. I'm now cutting the chives into 1/4 inch lengths. The intention here is not to crowd the batter with chives, but to have a sufficient amount for the taste of the chives to come through. Having cut the chives, let's add them to the flour and carry on with our next ingredients. A quarter of a medium onion comes next. I'm chopping up the onion into small pieces. Let's add this to the flour as well. We'll now stir to coat the chives and the onions evenly with the flour. Let's make the batter now. I have 100 ml of water and I will be using it sparingly. Water has to be added a little at a time. We do this so that the batter doesn't become runny. We must be vigilant now and add just the right amount of water. The idea is to make the batter of a dropping consistency. As you would have noticed, I added water 5 times. All in all, I used 100 ml of water minus 1 tablespoon. The oil is heating up in a wok, so I'm now adding 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder to the batter. The baking powder should only be added to the batter just before frying, otherwise the fritters will become flat. Give this batter a mix and we're ready to fry our fritters. Let's now check to see if the oil is hot enough. Can you see the bubbles form at the base of the chopstick? This means the oil is ready. So let's drop the batter in gently in spoonfuls. I'm now adding the first spoonful of batter into the oil. The heat must not be high. The fritters have to be fried on a medium flame. I'm going to cook these fritters in 2 batches because I don't want to crowd the wok. If the wok is crowded, the fritters will not be crispy. Let's now fry the fritters until they turn a light golden brown. Here we are, a lovely light golden brown. Second batch going in now. The second batch has turned a light golden brown. It is therefore time to remove them from the fire. Let's turn off the flame and set these fritters aside. Bouncy and airy chive fritters. Crispy on the outside, soft and spongy inside. As always, enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Please do try this simple recipe at home, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Until I see you again with another video, stay safe. Bye.